Hi, I'm May Mitchell, CMO at Qualys. We are thrilled going into our 23rd year of sponsoring Black Hat. The main theme this year for us is to ensure that our customers are ready to be secure for the next frontier AI models. And it's all anchored around building an AI rock. Risk Operations Center, powered by Qualys ETM. It's based on three primary principles. Number one, AI speed detection, accuracy and efficacy. Principle number two, hyper prioritization. And then principle number three, zero-day remediation, because you only have minutes to think about this and not hours or days. So in our booth, we have theater sessions, over 30 of them, and we also have coffee, as well as you can meet with the product owner to get hands-on demonstration and test drive the zero-day remediation solution. If you're not going to be on the floor, come get your own Mythos-ready advisory briefing to see where you are on your journey. You can meet us at the W. We have an executive briefing center built out. And also on our keynote, whether you're at the CISO track on Tuesday or on Wednesday for the keynote, listen to Richard Syverson. He's going to walk you through the exposure and economics of Mythos. And it's certainly after hours. We are thrilled to be helping out our partners with some fun activities at night. So looking forward to seeing you at Black Hat this year.